इंग्लिश पेडागोजी का अगला चरण सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर के एमसीक्यूज। अगर आपने इन्हें सॉल्व किया तो आपका जेटेट का स्कोर आपको जेटेट क्वालिफाई करने में मदद करेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, syntax refers to the study of A, meaning of the words and sentences, B, sound system of the language, C, the rules for combining word into sentences, D, internal structure of words. Answer is C, the rules for combining words into sentences. Syntax is a branch of linguistics that deals with the arrangement of the words to form grammatical sentences. It governs sentence structure, word order, and phrase formation. Question number 2, according to Chomsky, transformational grammar, every student has A, only one structure, the surface structure, B, both a deep structure, meaning, and a surface structure, form. C, only phonetic representation, D, no underlying structure. Answer is B, both a deep structure including meaning and a surface structure including form. So Chomsky proposed that sentence have a deep structure, core meaning or with core meaning or idea, and a surface structure that is the actual spoken or written form. The transformation convert deep structure into surface structure, that is active to passive, can be an example of this type of sentence. Now, question from semantics. Question number 3. Semantics is the branch of linguistics that studies A, pronunciation of words, B, meaning of words and phrases and sentences. Words, phrases, and sentences. C, the origin of words, D, the grammatical function of words. Answer is B, the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences. Semantics deals with meaning in language, how words relate to concepts, how sentences express propositions, and how context influences interpretation. Etymology, that is the option C, that says origin of words, is word origins. Question number 4, the phenomenon where a single word has multiple related meanings like head, body, head meaning can be body, part, leader, top, is called A, homonymy, B, synonymy, C, polysemy, D, antonymy. Answer is polysemy. Polysemy occurs when one word has multiple related meanings. Homonymy, option A,